Albert Einstein is often remembered as one of the world's greatest scientists and thinkers. What many people don't know is that he was also passionate about sustainable agriculture. From his work on the development of the theory of relativity to his work on sustainable agriculture, Einstein played a major role in the development of sustainable agriculture. Einstein first became interested in agriculture in the late 1920s, when he began to see how the industrialization of agriculture was leading to environmental degradation and soil erosion. He recognized the need for a more sustainable approach to farming and began to explore ways of achieving it. In 1925, he wrote a book entitled The Theory of Relativity and Its Impact on Agriculture, which explored this concept. In the book, Einstein argued that the traditional methods of farming were inadequate and unsustainable. He argued that it was necessary to introduce new, more efficient and sustainable methods of farming. He proposed the use of crop rotation, soil conservation practices, and the use of green manure. These methods would help to prevent soil erosion and would help to ensure the long-term sustainability of crops. In addition to introducing new methods of farming, Einstein also focused on the need to improve agricultural education. He argued that farmers needed to be taught how to use the new methods of farming in order to ensure their long-term success. He also argued that agricultural research should be conducted in order to create new and improved varieties of crops that would be better adapted to different climates and soil types. Einstein's work on sustainable agriculture was instrumental in the development of the modern sustainable agriculture movement. His ideas were highly influential in the development of the organic farming movement, and his work helped to shape the way that modern sustainable agriculture is practiced today. Einstein's work on sustainable agriculture also influenced the development of the modern environmental movement. He argued that the industrialization of agriculture was leading to environmental degradation, and he advocated for the adoption of conservation practices. His work helped to bring attention to the need for environmental protection, and he was one of the first scientists to advocate for the use of renewable energy sources. Einstein's work on sustainable agriculture and the environment laid the groundwork for many of the modern sustainable agriculture practices that are being used today. His ideas were far ahead of their time, and he was one of the first scientists to recognize the need for a more sustainable approach to agriculture. His work has had a lasting impact on the development of sustainable agriculture, and he will continue to be remembered as one of the world's greatest scientists and thinkers.